Okay, so hello everyone. In this video, I just want to share with you my homemade transmission jack. I'll show you. This actually is just uh, made out of a scissor jack, and the wonderful thing about this is I'll show you. You see those bolts? I can actually use and adjust those bolts to fit the bottom surface of the transmission, because not all transmissions are made equal, you see. So, and I can adjust that, the bottom right there, and I can also adjust this, see that, this to, for the strap to wrap around firmly on the transmission so that it won't wiggle about when you bring it up or down. Okay, I know there are people out there who is able to bring down the transmission on their own, okay, without a transmission jack, without any help. But unfortunately, I'm not one of those who is endowed with superhuman strength, so hence I needed this. So I figured I'll just share with you how I made my homemade transmission jack. Enjoy. So anyway, this is my homemade transmission jack. I'm done installing the pressure plate lining as well as release bearing, and just wanted to share this with you. And the wonderful thing about this is that if I'm not using this as a transmission jack, I can remove this and use this for other purposes. Okay, I'll show you, like this one. See, remove this just like that. And in fact, when I made this gate last year, I was able to use this because I just made this gate here, my garage, right where this Toyota Innova is, and I was able to mount this gate on here together with this. Okay, I mean because I hired at least 4 men to install this gate, you know, the masonry and all that things. And another neat feature about this is, I'll show you, I can just remove this bolt, okay, and still be able to use this as an ordinary scissor jack. So anyway, I just wanted to share this with you. Maybe this will give you an idea, okay? If it did, let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe if you want to, only if you want to, and as always, thank you for watching.